country so beautiful, warm with joyful giving hearts. You're blessed with sunshine, dripping rains, and fertile soils. And with your Nile roaring across, you're the pearl of Africa. Uganda, the land of hope, love and devotion, cultures at their best all through the years. You're diverse with faces from all the world, and you're home to the mountains of the moon and pearl of Africa. Together we stand, regardless of background. We strive to achieve peace with our neighbors. We bow down to God, the Most High. We love each other and we're proud of who we are. We work hard and cherish our past. God bless the pearl of Africa, Uganda. We work hard and cherish our past. God bless the pearl of Africa, Uganda. Uganda, our country so beautiful, warm with joyful giving hearts. You're blessed with sunshine, dripping rains, and fertile soils. And with your Nile roaring across, you're the pearl of Africa. Uganda, the land of hope, love and devotion, cultures at their best all through the years. You're diverse with faces from all the world, and you're home to the mountains of the moon and pearl of Africa. You're Nile roaring across, you're the pearl of Africa. You're the pearl of Africa. You're the pearl of Africa.